Hey there, Dave Oliveira with Rain Networks. Today we're going to look at ESET MSP's portal, and we're going to specifically look at policies. How I got here again is I navigated to msp.eset.com. I logged into my account. I clicked on ESET Protect here, which got me to my management side here, and that's what's bringing us to this portal here. I'm going to click on policies here. Right before I do that, let's go look at my computers. Here are my computers here in my folder structure that I got here to the left. So what we're going to use policies for today is sometimes we want to password protect ESET so that when we come down here and our end users click here, it won't let us do this. It'll password protect it, right? It'll say, hey, enter the password here. I don't have it applied, but I did create one in a past video. So that's why you see that one here. Let's just make a new one really quick. The other ones that are, let's just call it my new policy. You can call it accordingly. Sometimes people will do, well, let's do this one. Sometimes it'll be my excluded executables, right? Sometimes people have a certain paths that they don't want ESET to scan. So that's what we'll do for this demo here. In the next page, I hit continue. We're going to want to choose our product. In this case, it's ESET endpoint for Windows. You would want to make another policy if you have Macs, as the policies are platform dependent, right? So for this case, we'll do Windows here. And I was saying, hey, maybe we have an executable file that we want everybody to get this policy, that it ignores it, right? So I made this policy here. In the real-time system file, there's this processes exclusions, excuse me. If I click on edit here, I can add file paths here like C colon / Dave's stuff, right? I don't have that file, or I guess you need .exe is what it's looking for, right? I don't have that there, but I'm just showing you an example, right? So cancel, save. Other people, what they do, like I was talking about the user interface, where if you don't want somebody to be able to access it, you do want to password protect it. Here is that access setup password protect here. So we could set this to a password of our choosing. And then we could do that. I think the last one that I was going to show was the for the web access. So a lot of the times people say they go to a website and it says ESET has blocked them. So here's where you can whitelist that here, the URL list management under web access protection. We could click edit and we could say, hey, if that's blocking it and we're sure it's okay, we can just add it to the list of addresses here, right? So those are what you would use policies for. I'm just gonna hit continue here. We would say, who do we want to assign this to, right? So maybe you have specific computers in here that you want to get, like this is the machine we're on right now. Or maybe this is a policy you made for the entire folder structure, right? And you want everybody to inherit these policies. Like, for example, that password policy. Maybe you want all your clients to be password protected so they can't mess with ESET locally on the computers, right? Very common. So we would choose that, click OK here. That's the assignment button here. We would click continue. It's going to give us a summary and we can go ahead and assign this and it'll go ahead and push out to everybody in that folder. And that's how policies are working, excuse me. If you go ahead, there's a ton of different policies and settings in here on ESET's web-based article. It goes over each and every one. We can't do that for the sake of time here, but that's what I wanted to go over today. We will see you in the next one. Thank you.